You did see that, didn't you? That's a no entry, and that was a cyclist. Now I'm gonna rant. I am going into rage mode and rant cam and all sorts of beep. Right, cyclist, you want to be treated as equals, yeah? You want to be treated equally to all other road users. You protest and you rant and you go on rallies and you, I want to be treated like everybody else on the road. Then do the fucking rules like everybody else on the road. You want to be treated equal, then you drive and you ride your little stupid two-wheeled freaky things in a way that is considerate to everybody else, yeah? You want to like jump through red lights and not stop for crossings, then you get fined for that like we do, yeah? You want to be treated as equals, you will get big f***ing number plates on the back of your bike, and you ride around and you get red light fines and speeding fines and all sorts of fines and stupid going down one-way system fines, yeah, like everybody else would do, okay? You want to be treated as equals, drive like fucking equals. I was quite proud of that. That was a good one. I like that. Fucking cyclist. There are some good cyclists. I don't hate all cyclists. There are some good ones. We've seen them in a video. Motorcyclists can do it. That guy seems to be doing it. He's stuck his arm out and everything to let everybody know what his intentions are. He's a good cyclist, okay? It can be done. You just choose not to. Bad ones are just ruining it for the good ones.
Kids can do it. Animals can do it. Even insects can do it. Why the fuck can't you?
Right, rant actually over this time. Woo!
I ride really slow in the middle of the lane while drivers behind me are going insane. I'm a cyclist. He's a cyclist. I'm a cyclist. He's a cyclist. CYCLIST. I'm a cyclist, and I'm not proud of it.